Hey, Merry Christmas, guys. Kostas was on us here. We are going to be doing a private chef event here in Heath, and let's get it started. All right, guys, so we are here at our house. I'm going to be a private chef tonight. Super excited about that. Just going to load everything up and move my van out of the way real quick. Alright, so the Christmas party is going great. Everyone is eating the hors d'oeuvres. I just put the pasta actually in the oven, so it should be ready in about 30 minutes. So if you're looking to hire a private chef for a nice dinner party, definitely consider me. Alright, so the hors d'oeuvres are done. I actually stored all the food out here in the garage just on standby. And let me just show you guys exactly what I have going on. I got 2 pans, pasta, some red wine reduced meat sauce.
Sleigh bells are ringing out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy. I've been waiting by the phone.
Wait, everybody's eating, everybody's having a great time. The line, I think there's plenty of food left over. So yeah, we're just rocking around the Christmas tree. Santa, do you know that our video is up 230 views already on YouTube?
I saw that, yes.
Isn't that crazy?
That is unbelievable.
You know, when it's Santa Claus,
yes.
You know, I mean,
well,
you gotta click on it, right?
Yeah, but it's gonna go viral, you know that, right?
Yeah, I'm like, it have 10,000 views on it, I know it.
Absolutely. I think it will.
And the Godiva martinis are selling like crazy too, by the way.
Oh, wonderful.
So thank you.
Well, I gotta come get one.
There you go. Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry Christmas to you.
Right, so, being a good caterer, you gotta take out the trash, just going above and beyond for the guests. This is how they keep hiring you. It's like when you exceed their expectations, I try to do every little thing that I possibly can, pouring wine, pre-bussing, and taking out the garbage.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us.
Rockwall Women Business is a group of women who live in the Rockwall surrounding areas, and we all are business owners or we are consumers, and we are all like-minded women who come together, make relationships, grow trust, and refer business. We keep going back to the same people time after time.
100%.
As well as why we work on growing our relationships in the community.
You build a brand, you build yourself as a brand.
Absolutely.
But the Christmas party was amazing tonight.
It was great. We had, I think we had close to 50 here.
Yeah, that's great.
And we had, a couple people were sick, of course, this time of year.
The food was okay.
Just okay?
It was all right. It was edible.
The food was great. The food was very, very good. I don't know what you call it, but we called it, what did we call it?
Your mom named it. Prancer's
pasta.
Pasta, yeah.
Prancer's pasta. And salad and bread, and we had amazing appetizers. It was great. So
well, thank you. Right
now you're 3 for 3. If it's 4, then 1 year was not memorable.
Okay. They're all memorable, okay? Stacy, thank you so much. I appreciate
welcome.
it.
Thank you.
And
Thanks for coming.
First time here, I am the owner of Opa Greek Tavern. I cook really awesome Greek food here in the DFW area. And thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Leave me a thumbs up, and obviously, don't tell me anything. It's sad because I'll never really know that you did that. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop. When the bell on the door